Hey JD, can I borrow your notebook? I need it lang kasi I will going to study literature, agriculture, science, math, technology and operation, artificial intelligence, and many more. Pwede bang mahiram?
Si Emma ba yan?
Wait lang, te ha. Pupunasan ko lang yung ilong ko. Nakakadugo naman yung sinasabi mo. Pati yung pipi ko dinudugo na rin. Pero ang galing ha, straight English.
Sa true.
Why, of course, I can talk English. What do you think of me? I cannot think twice. What is that?
K-pop?
80. Siguro effective yung iniinom ng vitamins ni Emma. Sana makabili rin ako, no? Yung buy one take one. Mga halagang 20 pesos.
20 pesos?
Parang mura. 20 pesos, te? Anong panahon ka ba nabuhay? 18 years ago later?
Oo nga.
Pinky, can I ask you a question? What if we divide 20 to negative 15 and get square root of 5 and square root of 97 and get the length of the pyramid and get the weight of the balloon and also multiply by division of 37.76 then
And we'll get is the square root of the 97. Did I question it right? Ano no?
Teka lang, te ha. Nahihilo yata ako.
Pinky! Oh no, Pinky! What did you do to Pinky? Emma, what did you do to Pinky that I don't know? But maybe you know, but I don't know. Or maybe you know, but I don't know. And you know what I don't know. Ano yun?
I don't do anything to Pinky. I just ask question. That's all.
English?
Ay, te, yung pagtanong mo sa kanya kasi parang si Arbor, I stand with you with a smile.
Colgate lang.
Emma, parang may iba sa'yo ngayon. You are different people from a different pimple. You are different.
May point ka.
Yes, maybe. Yesterday kasi I was untog-untog. Untog-untog, the word when you hit your head, right? And I just woke up like this and I just knew everything in this world. And I just woke up being a genius one.
Wow, galing naman.
Oh my gulay! It's a miracle bell! In Tagalog, miracle bell bell.
Sino yun? Maybe what happened to Emma is what you call untog effects. Untog effects, oo. When you untog-untog yourself to someone that are something. Tapos, nangyari yan. Nang hindi mo alam. Ang creepy.
Ay di, bakit kasi kayo nag-i-Englishan? Dinudugo na ako, no? Pero hindi sa ilong, sa puson. Ano? Ang ibig sabihin, magiging matalino siya. Kung magiging matalino siya, magkakaroon naman ako ng pangalawang kariban. Hindi ako papayag to.
May masama siyang balak.
Kung magiging matalino si Emma, hindi na natin paproblemahin yung quiz, activity, at marami pang iba. Diba exciting?
Oo nga, Pete.
Kailangan ko tong gawa ng paraan.
Aray.
Ay, sorry, te. Hindi ko sinasadya. Naku po. Emma, okay ka lang ba? My answer angel.
Answer Angel? Ha? Anong sinasabi mong Answer Angel? Eh, hindi naman ako si Answer. At isa pa, sino si Angel? Bumalik na siya sa dati.
Naku, hindi ako papayag. Kailangan iuntog kita ulit. O, eto. Emma.
Aray! What are you doing, people? Are you okay? What is wrong with you people?
Bumalik siya ulit. Hindi ako papayag dyan. Ibabalik ko siya.
Anong ibabalik?
Mas lalong hindi ako papayag. Ito pa.
Ako rin, no?
Mga te, tumigil na ako.
Ay, okay ka lang? Masakit ba?
Hindi okay lang. Tinamaan lang naman ako sa mukha eh.